Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock the MAGPIE, and let's get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to unlock the new MAGPIE pet, make sure you guys watch the video up until the end. Anyways, let's get straight into it. So in order to unlock the MAGPIE, there are a few ways. The first way is by simply purchasing it for about $1,050, which is very cheap. So you guys can go ahead and once you have enough funds, you can go ahead and just purchase it directly. Now the second method is going to be by unlocking it from a basic egg or a crystal egg. Now you can also just simply unlock it from simply luck by just hatching a crystal or basic egg. Now the third way is going to be by trading. So you guys can go ahead and make your way over to the trading server, and if you know somebody who has it, you can go ahead and trade with them, and then that is another way you guys can unlock the MAGPIE. So yeah, it's pretty simple and pretty easy to do. That is basically how to unlock the MAGPIE. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.